Hey there, fellow homebodies! Welcome to a journey where we transform spaces into places you'll absolutely adore. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just starting out, there's always something new to learn and explore. I'm so glad you're here, ready to dive into the world of interior design and decor. It's a world where creativity knows no bounds, and every choice you make can bring a unique touch to your living space. Creating a home you love doesn't have to be daunting. In fact, it can be one of the most rewarding experiences. Imagine walking into a room and feeling an immediate sense of comfort and joy because every element reflects who you are. It's all about making choices that reflect your personality and lifestyle. Your home should be a mirror of your soul, a place where every corner tells a story about you. Whether you're drawn to cozy farmhouse charm with its warm woods and inviting textures, or sleek modern lines that offer a clean and sophisticated look, or a touch of eclectic flair that combines various styles and eras into a harmonious blend, there's a style out there for you. The beauty of interior design is that it allows you to explore and experiment until you find what truly resonates with you. This journey is about more than just picking paint colors and furniture. It's about creating a sanctuary, a personalized haven where you can unwind and be yourself. It's about transforming your house into a haven, a place that truly feels like you. Every piece of furniture, every color on the wall, and every decorative item should contribute to a cohesive and comforting environment. We'll explore ideas for every room, from the heart of your home, the living room, where you entertain guests and spend quality time with family, to the peaceful sanctuary of your bedroom, where you retreat for rest and relaxation. We'll even venture outdoors to create inviting spaces for relaxation and connection. Imagine a cozy patio where you can enjoy your morning coffee, or a lush garden where you can unwind after a long day. Get ready to unleash your inner decorator. This is your chance to let your creativity shine and make your home a true reflection of your style and preferences. We'll tackle everything from choosing the right color palettes that set the mood and tone of your rooms to finding clever storage solutions that keep your space organized and clutter-free. I'll share practical tips and tricks I've learned over the years to help you create a home that's both stylish and functional. These tips will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, it's your home, your story. Every decision you make should contribute to a narrative that is uniquely yours. Your home is a canvas, and you are the artist. Let's start writing it together. This journey is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space where you can live your best life. So, grab your design tools and let's get started on transforming your house into a home you'll love. One of the first steps in creating a space you'll love is selecting the right fabrics and textures. These elements can add depth and warmth to your rooms. Think about how different materials feel and look, and how they can complement your overall design. Planning your room layout is another crucial aspect. Consider the flow of the space and how you move through it. Proper furniture placement can make a room feel more open and inviting. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the ambiance of your home. From natural light to artificial lighting, the right choices can enhance the mood and functionality of your spaces. Explore different lighting options, such as chandeliers, floor lamps, and recessed lighting, to find what works best for each room. Personal touches like family photos and art pieces can make your home feel truly yours. Create a gallery wall that showcases your favorite memories and artworks. This not only adds character to your home, but also serves as a conversation starter for guests. Don't forget to carve out special areas for your hobbies and interests. A cozy reading nook with a comfortable chair and a well-stocked bookshelf can be a perfect retreat for book lovers. Tailor these spaces to your passions and needs. The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home. A well-organized kitchen with modern appliances and ample storage can make cooking and entertaining a joy. Think about how you use your kitchen and design it to be both functional and beautiful. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat. Simple additions like plush towels, scented candles, and soothing color schemes can turn your bathroom into a place of relaxation and rejuvenation. With more people working from home, creating a functional and inspiring home office is more important than ever. Invest in ergonomic furniture and decorate with items that inspire creativity and productivity. Don't be afraid to change things up with the seasons. Seasonal decor can keep your home feeling fresh and exciting. Simple changes like adding autumn leaves in the fall or holiday decorations in the winter can make a big difference. Ultimately, your home is a place for making memories. Whether it's a family meal in a beautifully decorated dining room or a game night in the living room, These moments are what make a house a home. So as we embark on this journey together, remember that the goal is to create spaces that bring you joy and comfort. Your home should be a reflection of your unique style and a place where you can truly be yourself. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. I can't wait to see the beautiful spaces you'll create. Happy decorating, and remember, your home is your canvas. Paint it with love and creativity. The living room is where life unfolds. It's the heart of the home, a place where memories are made and cherished. Whether it's a quiet evening with a book or a lively gathering with friends and family, the living room is a versatile space that adapts to your needs and reflects your lifestyle. It's a gathering place for family and friends, where laughter echoes and stories are shared. The living room is more than just a room. It's a sanctuary where bonds are strengthened and connections are deepened. It's where you celebrate milestones, enjoy movie nights, and simply unwind after a long day. A cozy nook for quiet evenings where you can curl up with a good book or enjoy a cup of tea. This intimate corner of the living room offers a retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life, providing a space for relaxation and reflection. It's your personal haven, a place to recharge and find peace, and a reflection of your personal style. The living room is a canvas where you can express your individuality and creativity. From the choice of furniture to the selection of decor, every element speaks to your taste and personality. It's a space that tells your story and showcases your unique aesthetic. Creating a welcoming and stylish living room starts with a solid foundation. The key to a well-designed living room is balance and harmony. Begin with the basics and build upon them to create a cohesive and inviting space. A strong foundation sets the stage for a room that is both functional and beautiful. I always recommend beginning with neutral walls and large furniture pieces in timeless designs. Neutral colors provide a versatile backdrop that can easily be updated with changing trends and personal preferences. Timeless furniture ensures that your living room remains stylish and relevant for years to come. Think warm beige, soft gray, or classic white. These colors create a serene and calming environment, making your living room a welcoming retreat. They also allow you to experiment with different textures and patterns without overwhelming the space. Neutral tones are the perfect canvas for your creativity. These colors provide a blank canvas for you to layer in pops of color and personality through textiles and accessories. By starting with a neutral base, you can easily change the look and feel of your living room with seasonal updates or new trends. It's a flexible approach that keeps your space fresh and dynamic. Imagine plush throw pillows in vibrant hues, adding a touch of warmth and comfort to your seating area. These pillows not only enhance the visual appeal of your living room, but also provide extra coziness for you and your guests. Choose colors that complement your overall decor and reflect your personal style. A patterned area rug that anchors the space, bringing together all the elements of your living room. Rugs add texture, color, and pattern, creating a focal point that ties the room together. They also define different areas within the living room, making the space feel more organized and cohesive. An eye-catching artwork that sparks conversation. Art is a powerful way to express your personality and interests. Whether it's a bold painting, a collection of photographs, or a unique sculpture, artwork adds character and depth to your living room. It also serves as a great conversation starter for your guests. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures. Combining different materials adds visual interest and depth to your living room. It creates a layered look that is both sophisticated and inviting. Experiment with various textures to find the perfect balance that suits your style and enhances the overall aesthetic of the room. Combine soft velvet pillows with a chunky knit throw and a sleek leather sofa for visual interest. The contrast between these textures creates a dynamic and engaging space. Velvet adds a touch of luxury, while knit throws bring warmth and comfort. Leather sofas offer a sleek and modern look, making your living room both stylish and cozy. Finally, let there be light. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and ambiance of your living room. It enhances the overall design and makes the space feel more inviting. Good lighting can transform your living room, highlighting its best features and creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Natural light is always best, so keep windows unobstructed. Allowing natural light to flood your living room creates a bright and airy environment. It also has a positive impact on your mood and well-being. Make the most of your windows by using sheer curtains or blinds that let in plenty of light while maintaining privacy. Supplement with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination. Task lighting focuses on specific areas for activities like reading or working, and accent lighting highlights decorative elements. Together, they create a balanced and functional lighting scheme that enhances the beauty and comfort of your living room.